Alright, welcome back. We are listening to the Night in the Woods soundtrack, and video games are about to happen. So let's switch to those. So I just had some lunch. So now what we're gonna do is the rest of the video game testing. Alright, let's get this volume a little lower. About there is fine. Because, yeah, we're gonna do, I guess, the rest of the playtesting, because I fixed all the other won't ship stuff. And there's so many other things that I could do. That's gonna be a could ship. Let's fix some, or let's reduce the priority of some of these things. How many do I have left? Tyrus, Lily, Byro, Jericho, Leah. That's a could ship. I would prefer sorting items by recency. Specifically items. I think there's something wrong with how I do that. Auto-advancing dialogue is still broken. I think I fixed that. Well, because I think that was a won't ship, actually. Make notification when the player completes a task. That's going to be a could ship. That'd be nice to have. And this one's could ship because I don't care that much. The stars pop in without any grace. Byro's quest. Okay, so this one had a bunch of stuff in it. Automatically generate a list of places in the map. That's going to be a save it for the end, honestly. And I'm going to put most of these probably at... Well... So this is going to be a save it for the end. Mark metal as metal. Make the secret on the first floor. I'm going to say this is actually going to be more important than this one. Disable rescue once the player has gotten that. That'd be nice. But it's sort of not very useful. Tutorialize pistol briefly. That'll be a save it for the end. People who explain the cave. I don't know. I still cannot figure out if I am actually getting 2 stamina boosters when I'm not supposed to, or if I'm just not noticing that I have them until, like, sometime later. Yep. I had my coat on. But okay. Reduce the range of Death Nat shadows. That could be... That's another could ship. Let's see, make it clear you have to go through the caves to get to the top of the plateau. Yeah, I'll do that one. Falling off the plane, this one, not that important. Player health. Strange Girl quest doesn't show up with the journal now that I've completed it. I think, did I fix that? I think I fixed that. I think it was that I didn't have it started. Excuse me. Put a fountain in the village entrance. After talking to tourists, the map is marked, but the village isn't in the journal. Fix the low-res chunks visible on the map. Hitch after celebration animation. I don't care that much. Alright, and what do we have for this quest? Post-quest dialogue. What happens if... Oh, alright. This is all that stuff. I'm not going to fix that one. I'll say that one would be could ship. And so that means everything else in here is could ship. Camera to reset improperly. That's a could ship. Explained flags, caves, and rescue. That's also could ship. Okay. Let's do some of this extra dialogue that I have in here, maybe. And I'm also going to say, you know what, that is could ship. Sorting items by recency is wrong. So I think that would be because the startup... So let's go to UI maybe? Or like time? What would it be? Because there's some sort of item time thing. Add item. So if we add an item, where do we do that? If item in track... No, that's not it. Set... okay. If the item is in tracked items, we add a stat for the item. Else, var x equals global set item recency. Let's see what this does then. Okay, so if we go to inventory, this is sorting by recency. So the lantern is the most recent thing. So what if I did item skull tablet? So this is name, category, recency. So that's correct. And then let's, I guess, save and quit here. Oh. And then let's see if that works. See, and I'm also gonna move my stuff here. Okay, inventory. Recency. Okay, so it works in here. Let's test maybe with an NPC. It looks right in here. I think maybe it was just wrong because I was using cheats. Or maybe because I reloaded the game? I don't get it. Let's say that's fine. So let's go to, let's just mark that as done, I think. Because I think I just misunderstood it. Okay, the stars pop in without any grace. Alright, let's fix that. Oh, I was no-clipped, Okay, so it is nighttime now. So I think if we go here... Where am I going? Oh, here. Do they fade out gracefully? They do. Alright, then let's see the player... Let's go to the world. Let's figure out why that's the case. So, enabled, Boolean. Sun enabled equals enabled. So this should be clear environment, which is set in this. Then it should do set sun enabled environment show sun. So we need the stars, yeah. think it might be... Excuse me. I think it might be because it's night, actually. So because the stars should not be... I think the stars need to be something else. I think they need their own separate thing. So if show sun, then we'll do set stars enabled environment dot show sun, else set stars enabled true. Because environment settings does not have that, so let's then do function set stars enabled. And this will be anything with the stars. And this will be stars tween. How does this stupid tween work? Because this is a scene free tween. So here we'll do like stars tween dot stop. Do we tween property then? Alright, so we should do if stars tween dot kill. Oh, we can just create tweens anywhere. Huh, weird. Alright, let's get this to be scene tree tween. So I think we have the property. What is it, actually? So in between the object, the property, start time, or no, end time. Okay, I get it. And then we have this here. Tween callback. Self. No. Stars. Hide. No, it actually should be... Yeah, that'd be else. Dot show. And let's do this, I guess. Okay, so this needs to start before the tween starts. This needs to be after the tween starts because we're adding a tween callback, I guess. Oh, okay, so we set the delay manually, I guess. Well, I guess, well... Do we set it parallel? I guess we do dot parallel. Create tween dot parallel. Then we can, well... I don't think we need that. Because, yeah, I can just have that there. And then let's do, like, set ease. Ease in out. Well, do I? Ah, well. And set trans cubic. Okay, so now the stars should work, because the stars are always visible, unless you're inside, in which case they'll slowly show up. And this admittedly doesn't really matter. So if push comes to shove, I'll just delete this. If it gets annoying to fix it. That did not quite work how I wanted it to. So it's still... Why does it work perfectly this way? So we need... Maybe we need show and then set material strength 0? Environment settings dot star brightness if enabled, else 0. So why doesn't it... Why does it... Alright, let's just delete it. Or let's do like... Because if the stars are out, it shouldn't matter anyway. The reason I disable the sun is because if the player has shadows disabled, then it won't actually get dark in these areas, and that, you know, breaks the mood. But, you know, a few dozen thousand stars, surely that won't cause any issues on low-end hardware. And that does help with making the stars look better. Yeah, I think because that also helps actually identify where the outdoors are. Alright, good enough. And let's actually commit stuff one at a time this time. Oh wait. So what did I add here? Oh, right. Minor rewording. Okay, so that was the stars pop in, apply filters. I'm gonna say could ship. Someone's dialogue could start the quest if it doesn't already exist. Let's do that one instead. Also, it's fun. I had to restart my computer because my monitor just decided it didn't want to connect to the computer again. Which is why everything was closed. But okay. So let's write some dialogue here. So we have arena. Not global task exists. Unwanted visitors. Global create task unwanted visitors. Let's do, I know. Not task. She spells it like this. Jackie's the only character who spells it this way. This isn't Alright. Alright, there we go. See, don't make fake arena access a quest item until the player has unwanted visitors as a quest. I think I did that already, so if we go to Jericho. Yeah. So let's have that be here. And then let's also have extra content if you give But that'll be like a save it for the end thing. We have that done. I think that's now tied to the evil podium. Yeah, that's tied right there. So Cave 137 had some missing reflection probes. I don't know if that's going to be a problem that I can easily figure out, because that probably has to do with loading chunk 113 and then going back to chunk 137. Oh, I have my hover scooter. I should add sounds to it, and particles to it. Yeah, now it looks fine out here. And I can see in the distance our tower blocking out the stars. So I think what I'll try is maybe going to the tower and seeing if I can, like, jank out this, maybe? Like, maybe loading into here causes problems. I wonder if Riley's gone. Oh, she isn't. Oh. Well, I'll do it again. There we go. Alright, 1 billion notifications for journal entries and things. I wonder if you can get ammo from her. Oh yeah, I have the hover scooter already, so it's completely trivialized. Which actually is kind of a nice thing, because that means that the player... You know, because if the player gets the hover scooter from completing this area... Wow, that is, like, invisible. Wait, what am I testing, actually? I don't even remember what I'm doing. Hang on, what am I looking for? Oh, right. I don't need to be in here. Alright, let's no-clip out of here. Because all I needed to do was make sure that the reflection probes worked in there. And now I'm going to try the reflection probes in here. So I don't see anything weird, so I think it might be... Admittedly, I think this UI's... I think the stamina bar is a little too big. And I just thought of an interesting power-up. What if you could get the ability to climb on steeper slopes? I'm going to add that to the abilities. Like, consider... let's put it at consider power up to climb steeper overhangs. Or upgrade, I should say. But that'll be later. Okay, so I have no idea what this is. Let's do this one. I'll do it now. Oh, right. I can't do it from here. I have to do it from the world. Alright, so if we go to here. So I needed to fix up right here. This geometry is problematic. Yeah, I can see why. What if I simply did, like... that there. And then this, like, here. And then, is there anything else that's going to be especially messed up? Because I don't think so. Alright, so that was pretty easy. Ability to ask Byra about the skull emblem without looking at the table. So that would be... Tock, tick, tock. Okay. So let's first go to the skull tablet. So let's do global stat visited 5137. Let's do this. And then let's do yeah, let's keep it like that. That's fine. So this means that it'll indicate much more clearly that the player to help them remind them if they've already seen it. And then we can do here. Let's do, I think, that note page 137 podium where not global.stat pyro skull tablet and let's do global task is active instead. Let's see. Let's do this. Okay, that looks good. Though we should also have... Actually, let's have this be the same thing. Skull. And we'll do, like, completed. Not completed. Hmm. So for now, I'll just have a little something here. So yeah, because Byro will just give it to you if you tell him about that. Okay, ability to ask Byro about the skull emblem without looking at the tablet. Ability to ask everyone in the arena about the skull. Let's do could ship. Well, yeah, could ship. More dialogue with Leah. I don't care. Add notes when Leah denies any suspicion. A little bit more important. More context when rescuing Byro. There we go. I just needed a little bit more context because it was sort of like confusing how little stuff was happening there. Save the rest of that's going to be could ship. So people to explain the cave. Do I want this? Yeah, I might as well. I'll say this will be a could ship though. Hmm. Yeah, let's do that. So let's go to 137. I need this. Let's put this on this side. Okay. So what's our stuff so far? All right. Okay. So we need 137. And while I'm here, I should probably add the little guy to explain the monument. Let's add that now, because that's easier. And I mean, admittedly not as important, but, I mean, might as well. Oh, wait, no, I already have... Oh! Okay. They were in here. That's why I didn't see them. Okay. I knew I had them somewhere. Okay, that's good. Then let's add here a little, something or other. I know. What if they have this as the little thing? So let's add a little, like, native bed as well. So let's add a spatial. This will be like a little rescue area. So yeah, let's put in like, well, maybe we should put in like cots. So yeah, we could do just beds the same as Jackie's, and then maybe like a sofa, and then like table. Okay, that seems fine. And then we'll have a spawn for the player. So it'll be the same as the sleep area, I guess. Okay, so that's right there. So basically what it'll be is you'll spawn as if you were asleep. That's fine. So what I'm going to do is, when the player requests a rescue, where is that? Would it be in like pause menu or options menu? On request rescue pressed. Oh, on rescue confirmed. Okay. Request rescue. And then what do we do with that? Get player p dot. Maybe it should be like p dot wake up. P dot wake. Let's see if that works. Oh, slow wake would be better. Well, yeah, that'd be better. Oh, wait. Let's just do... Maybe we like points like P5 or something. or like 1. So basically, it'll lock the player in place, force play this, yield, and then do that. And then we can do global visual wake. And then that way it doesn't do all this stuff. Well, I mean, we could do all this stuff though. What if I hide all this stuff? So yeah, it would heal the player, put them back at a checkpoint, save the game. Well, I guess it should always have that, but that's okay. And then that way, this doesn't need to do the fade in. So we can probably do... Yeah, that'd be okay. No. No, I don't think that's gonna be correct. Let's do it like this. I think it should save the checkpoint, respawn the player, visual wake. And then let's try that now, I guess. But I guess I needed to position the beds properly, but oh well. Let's just request a rescue. Did not quite work how I wanted it to. Yeah, it didn't do this. How do I make the player, like, when the player is loading the game, if they're sleeping, we do slow wake. So that does basically this same stuff. You know, it locks them, force play, create a timer, then force... Oh, wait, no. Not that. Let's try again. I'm gonna run out of money. Okay, request rescue. Request rescue. I do not care for how that... So we have state ground, request rescue, locked, sitting. Why does it not work? Why does force play not work? It should start it. Maybe I need to play custom? But if it does force... Yeah, I wonder what happens if I just do slow wake here. Global. Somewhere in here. Hmm. What if we had this hidden? So this would mean that the player doesn't change position, but this way I can at least see if that's interfering with the, like, visual wake stuff. Because it feels like there's just something wrong with the animation tree or whatever. So let's do, like, request rescue, request rescue. Okay, so that seems... Okay, so it's the respawn. Yeah. Okay, let's try p.teleport to... And then we'll visual wake, and then we can do all the other stuff that we want to do. What was that noise? I guess that was a coincidence? Okay. But now maybe we can try, like, slow wake or something. And we can do p.set save transform. Or set saved transform, I should say. Maybe p.awake at closest transform. And that way I don't have to do so much of that weird stuff. Visual wake. So we'll just do awake at t transform. Set saved transform t. Slow wake. And that should save all the stuff properly, but maybe we should do, always heal. Or, like, force. If not empty, or... So let's do if... Okay. Let's see if this works. There we go. So now the player can request a rescue, and they'll be in a bed. And let's teleport to 137. And then... we did not go to the right place. Why did we go to the... Or why did we not go to the right place, though? So there should be one right in here. But let's do... So, where would they actually be, though? So if we go to global... So it's rescue. Stats. Rescue, position, blah, blah, blah. Rescue underscore 112. Let's call this rescue 113 then, or 137, I guess. And I guess it doesn't even need to be like in a particular place. It can just be in here. So it should work. Oop. Well, at least that'll get me... Well, I mean, that won't really do anything if I request a rescue and get to the wrong place. So let's try requesting a rescue again. There we go. Aha. Do we want beds here? I guess so. Let's put a little NPC in here. So we'll want some sort of signal from this. Or this will be tricky. I want some way of indicating to these NPCs that Jackie would respawn at this specific location. Maybe we can set a stat for the last rescued place. So let's do that, actually. Global request rescue for K in R var T transform equals R A, and then var closest node was this. And then we will have a set stat last rescue okay, let's do last rescue will be our var, so it'll be closest node dot split dot 0. So now there should be a stat called last rescue. And maybe we should do... Nah, I won't do anything more complicated than that. This will be basically, these NPCs can now check this stat And if it is equal to, you know, themselves, they'll look at it. And then we need maybe a carpet in here or something. Just for a little bit more warmth. I should probably have something on this, but for now, I'll do this. And that's also not while I'm here. I can just have another fountain right here, so it's not so annoying to find it. And then maybe I'll just scatter around some NPCs, why not? Oh wait, no. This is the wrong zone city. We have some guys in there. Let's have a guy like up here. Two people over here, maybe. Guy here looking at this little thing. Let's say some NPCs over here. Admittedly, none of this is really important, but I just like it. And he'll just be relaxing there. And this guy, he'll just be chilling here. Oh, wait, I should probably have, like, stuff in here, now that I'm thinking about it. So where is this? This is, like, the tavern or whatever? There was an interesting thing that I saw from, I forget where they were. It was somewhere in India. Balochistan, I think. Where they had tables that instead of sitting at the table, you sat on the table with your food. And that was kind of interesting to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a... pillow. This table's a little bit too big for it, but I'll do it anyway. Let's flip these pillows so that these guys look comfy. And then we'll do like, I don't know, fruit. I have no idea how restaurants work, as you can see. Yeah, maybe they're advertising it with the fruit. Then let's have some, like, crates in the back or something. And these will contain absolutely nothing of interest. What the heck is this? Oh, it's some weird... Oh, it's part of the road. Okay, I see. How did I miss that? I don't want that in here. Yeah, I think next I want to do, like, more of a visual pass. It's not even like useful. Like, look at that. It's not even doing anything. This thing right here. Like, it just didn't do anything at all. Okay, there we go. Yeah, because I have fun ideas for, like, little trucks. More ideas for animation. Well, actually, no. I should still focus on... I think I need to focus more on main story content, because I need to be in the mindset of, like, if I'm going to get tired of making the game and stop making it, what do I want to get done so that it's, like, you know, in a state where I'm satisfied with releasing it as it is. Because the reality is, I can keep working on the game forever, but I'm not going to, because I'm going to get tired of it eventually. So I should have something that's actually done once I get to that point. Let's have this. You know what? Let's just kind of, like, duplicate this. This isn't really a tavern anymore. It's more like a restaurant. And let's make some of these people, like, more interestingly sized. Okay. And let's also add little lights, I guess, to this. So maybe like a wall light. There we go. So now that's going to be a little bit more attractive for the player, which should be good, because then they can actually, like, figure out where the main content is. Okay, what was I actually supposed to be doing here? These parts, okay. So let's do cave. Or let's do, like, what should these guys be? Nurse or something? so let's do chunk 137. This will be like injured explorer dialogue. Let's call this one NPC nurse. And we have NPC nurse. Oh wait, let's also get all right, that looks good. Let's see, rescued. Let's do like global stats. This will actually have to be this. Dot stat last rescued equals, and it should be rescue 137. And I should do maybe I should have like a property for them. That'd be interesting, but I won't do that for now. Because I guess also I want some special dialogue for the thing. So let's see. See, these caves lead up to the... Most people take the long way north all the way to the bridge. Much safer. And let's do, I think that's how I set it up. So dialog viewer should have a function called shop, I think. I guess I can just look at the shops. So dialog shops, plateau. Or village, or whatever it is. Exit, cell loop. Is there a button that I press to shop with a character? Oh, okay, there it is. And then you can do exiting. And then let's just have the regular coat stuff. Let's do where's my arena guys? Arena worker. Where am I looking for? This. Let's do talk equals 0. Well, let's do like not stat. Rescue tutorial. Then let's do int. Alright, the request rescue button in the pause menu will bring you here with half your gems gone. This is a useful... It's possible to climb in places you don't yet have the equipment to climb out of. Let's do plus rescue tutorial, maybe. And we'll do, not stat flag tutorial. Well, I'll just have that there. Okay, so the request rescue button in the pause menu will bring you here with half your gems gone. This is a last resort if you're stuck in a cavern, or if you're stuck, let's just say if you're stuck somewhere. Caves in the area run deep, and it's possible to climb into places you don't yet have the equipment to climb out of. Rescues are available almost everywhere. Almost. And let's do, And maybe I'll just have that. I'll just not worry too much about making that feel organic yet. Let's get my temporary stock now. So these characters will actually be NPC shop. And honestly, I don't need two of them with the same stuff. Oh, I won't have that. And the inventory will be, I guess, temp stock. So what does this look like? Temporary. So we have flags, armor, stamina boosters. Yeah, that's fine. And this guy's injured. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So they should let us get flags, and it should let us do other things. Maybe I should have an NPC. I should have them actually give you flags. Actually, now that I think about it. So let's do if. So if not stat. Flag tutorial. So do you need flags? We can... let's do one NPC actually that's just like working or something. This will be like an assistant. Global add item flag 5. And then we'll do plus stat flag. I mean, also. Yeah, let's not even pretend that that's a way up. And let's not even have, well, I'll keep that one maybe. Yeah, so the way to actually get up would be around this way and then up this. In a rather clever zigzag. Yeah, that way I'm not, you know, tricking my poor little brain into thinking that I can actually get up this way. Excuse me. Okay. So this is now a little thing. I should probably have something up here. Let's do like a... a sign of some sort. And I'm thinking what I might do is actually, instead of having a script that I made on my own, I'll use a mixture of Cyrillic and Latin. And that's in part just to make it easier on myself, but also because a lot of smaller nations don't have their own writing systems. They use they use the writing system of nations that, like, had influence over them. Alright, we should also have a drinks cabinet in here. Maybe. Yeah. Let's put it in here, though. Then we'll have our little electrical thing. Let's do a little outlet box. And I should probably make an easy way of, like, attaching phones to this, because I don't like making the all little bits for it. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so what do I need? Let's make like 512 by 256 or something. What's this place called? Kella. But Kella. I'm so bad at typing. Alright. After some work, I have gotten it. So let's do... Why are the lines so screwed up? What is this? You know, I'm just gonna make these two separate things. So what should the actual English be? So it'd be like put Kella information and So let's go to... I don't remember. I should really make like some sort of like repository for all this stuff. Eventually I'll figure out where E is. There it is. What's going to be the word for information? So in Kurdish it's Agahi. What is it in other languages? Oh right, I can't read Arabic. So Og is in, or Ak is in Kazakh and Kurmanji, which is interesting. What is the place that I'm looking for? Oh, what are the... Tajikistan is nearby. I wonder if that's a language that we have. Malamut. Malat. What is the word? What do I have? I'm sure I have and somewhere in this. Yeah, I need to make like an actual proper like reference. Let's just use A for now. Also, this isn't the that. This is... I do not remember... You know, I was saying before that I'm better at Russian typing than English because I have to learn touch typing. Not really, it turns out. Where the fuck is A? Oh, okay, quote. Hey. Time out. Jabdika. Jabdikto. Jabdikta? Oh yeah, I can't read Pashto. I should learn how to read Arabic writing, but it's like indecipherable to me. I don't even know where, like, I can vaguely see that like this is a letter, because usually it's just like one line. Or like this, where like, how many letters is this? You know, is it like 1, 2, 3, 4? And then these are separate? But is there something in between these? Are these merged partially? I have no idea. Pedivian. Peptide. Malaya peptide. Well. I forgot where E is. Here. Hang on, I almost got it. There we go. What is... There's something completely wrong. Hang on, I'm going to use a not stupid font and see if that... There we go. Okay, it's just this font is completely... Oh, it's because it's a math font. Okay. Oh, wait. Also, I should do... There we go. Hmm. How does signs look? What do signs look like in, like, the normal world? I've completely forgotten. Hmm. Let's put this... I can't control the size of it. That's cool. There we go. Okay, but at least it's centered. Wow, the kerning is completely abominable. Look at that. There's just something wrong with some of these fonts. Or just, I guess, it's in part because this is not the application that I should be using for, ooh. You know, this sort, like, making text laid out in nice ways. Hmm. Alright, let's make something that's like... I don't know how signs look. I don't know how signs look. Hang on, I have some Google Street stuff that I saved a little bit ago. Maybe if we go to concept art, places. And if I just go through these, oh yeah, this was a citadel. So I was literally in Google Street View in just random places. So this is, I'm pretty sure, a small town Herat in Afghanistan. And this is also Herat. Farm. This is just a highway in Pakistan, Islamabad. This is Jarf, which I think is on the border of Tajikistan and Afghanistan, and Kabul. Lagos. Landi Kodal. Where was that? I think that was in Afghanistan. Or maybe it was Pakistan. Okay, maybe I could just do like a colored text, you know, something colorful like this. What if I just had clip art? Or like, just like, you know, like photos or something like that on there. Because I can't do like nice calligraphy, but I could do something that at least is funny. And this is, I think these are the desert, I think these are the desert in the Xinjiang province in China. I think that's what it is. Yeah, just some photos of things that I would like to work in there, but I can't probably. Okay, let's maybe make it so that these are all like white, and then I'll make it. Oh, let's make a lighter color. Filter, random noise. Put that over here. Then we'll do a multiply. We're going to do less saturation, much more lightness. Or I guess we can mostly do this through opacity now. And then I don't want to get my tablet, so I'll just do like little random scratches or warbles or something like that. We should probably have something better in here. Let's have like a little circle. Let's do like pixel art. And we'll make 1 pixel. And that's going to be the center of my circle. And hopefully, is what I'm going to do now, is do something cool with this. Let's do, yeah, 27 by 111. $111 by 27. Okay. Look at that. Now it looks like a little something. And I can even do like a little bit of like just get some random stuff in here. And like a very low opacity like yellow. And I'll even put this under that. And let's put like a little bit of like the reddish dust color. Reddish orange dust color. All right. That's going to be in project, material, environment. I guess. There we go. And I don't care that much. I'll just keep it as a PNG. If I need to make it again, I'll just make it again. But okay, let's go to Blender and get this little piece of garbage in here. Yeah, let's make a new thing. So I need, hello, help me. I've done something. Let's do S.5. Let's make this a wall sign of some sort. Faces. Well, nah, I'm not going to do it like that. I'll just have this front face. So it's basically going to be this. I'm going to have a new entity. It's just going to be like sign that. Let's do like wall sign large dash kinematic. It'll just be about that big. It'll have two materials. Okay. I would like to select the thing that I'm selecting. So we need to rotate this, yeah, this way. I guess we'll do ever so slightly less than the full thing. Okay, so this is going to be now my environment, city, sign, medium, I guess. Wall, sign, large. Because I already made the sign small. Hopefully I actually set that up correctly. But I don't think I did. Oh well. We have placeholder. Remember these. Yeah. Oh wait, no. This is the wrong place. Environment, city. Yeah. Let's do wall, sign large, new inherited. Where's sign small? Okay, there it is. So let's figure out where that sign is. How does this actually work? Material. Okay, it does exactly what I want. So I'm gonna get wood. Where's this thing? Yeah, let's get this material. Let's see. No subsurface scattering. Maybe a little bit of specularity. What's this? I think they should have like 2, 2, 2 maybe. Wall sign large. Entities, environment, large? No, city. Because then I can do wall sign. It's not very large, honestly, now that I'm looking at it. Let's get the put Kella sign. Alright, I have to exit properly. So where's that injured guy? Last rescued. Invalid operand. God fucking damn it. It's a variant. Just compare the fucking two things. It's like it's a dynamically typed language. I don't know the... It's like the worst combination of dynamic and static typing. Or strong and weak typing, or whatever it is. Just like... okay. GD script equals string and int. What can I do? What can I do as an alternative to this? GD script compare int and string. I don't think there's going to be any. So what can I do? GD script compare different types of variables. And I'm almost certain this is in, wait, no. Is this either not in here or is this merged to master? Okay, whatever. Let's just have a new function called compare. Or like stat equals or something like that. So I want dialog viewer, and then I'm going to just do a new thing called like function stats is stat string value variant or anything. Oh yeah, I still have to test all the other branches of this quest. Okay, so this looks good. Is this, did I get it? I'll just do equals. And I should probably have this set for actually a bunch of different things because, well, whatever. If type of stat... Oh, wait, god damn it. Val. Okay. Let's do... Hang on. It shouldn't be like you have to place... Where's my nurse thing? Let's do... Go to... Go to shop loop. Go to shop loop. And this will be shop loop. And then this is not really useful, so I'll just have that there. Okay, that looks good. It gets dark here. Actually, how... Oh, the lights don't... Hang on, I need to change how the lights work, don't I? So that is wall light, or lamp lights. Something like that. Because isn't there some sort of, C is light, C dot fog? There's something with fog in this. Okay, I don't think it's there. I think it's in, world. I think maybe there's a property of the fog itself that it allows light to penetrate through it better. World environment. So we need something to do with the fog. Transmit curve. Thank you for the hint. Godot. Okay. Enables fog. If true, the light will be more visible in the fog to simulate light scattering as in real life. I don't see it. Maybe what I should do instead is have a light that's on top of the player. Or maybe just have a light around the player at night. Because right now I'm using fog to fake darkness, while still giving the player the ability to see in their immediate area. But if I can't see lights from a distance, well, maybe I can fiddle with this transmittance curve. Like, what if I just change that back? Oh, it killed the game, I think. Yeah, it did. It's very annoying because I know why it's happening. It's because something to do with my background thread. Yeah, I think this looks a lot more professional than if I were to try to write it myself, that Putkela. Akmala Kefemio. Okay. Or the Cyrillic looks better than if I was to try to, like, write my own script. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, the transmittance curve, which did not seem to change dramatically. So I think that doesn't actually mean anything until... Yeah, I think that doesn't cut... Well, I guess that makes sense. It doesn't cut through, like, the max distance fog or anything like that. I may want to change how fog even works, if I wanted to do what I want it to do. Like, because right now there's no, like, performance optimization from fog. It just sort of, what does it do? Well, it's just a visual effect. But if I want some lights to cut through the fog even beyond their normal distance, I'll have to work, or I'll have to change it a little bit more. I'll put that as a to-do list thing. But okay, I think that works. They explain that. They explain the cave leads up to the plateau, and it's the shortest route up. And let's put cut through, or make the, let's see, lights. Either change how the darkness works. Okay. Make sure discussed and completed work with coat. I guess I can just make sure that it works with what other NPCs that I have. And I'm going to close this. There we go. So that way I can still see my chat. My music died. Everything died. My computer is frozen. That was interesting. Hang on. Let's close that. So everything is still working. The recording is still active. I don't know how that's gonna do. Oh yeah, I was gonna make the water in the things. Is that in my to-do list for this thing? Let's look up water. Yeah, make sure the fountains behave as water. Yeah, I guess that is could ship. I genuinely think that is just, like, I keep not using the stamina boosters because I'm so good at the game. Because it just... Yeah, I think that's just what it is. Okay, so what am I doing now? Make it clear you have to go through the caves to get to the top of the plateau. I think I did that. I did that. After talking with Tyrus, the map is marked, but the village isn't in the journal. So that was journal places. Oh, right. And I should probably start a new game for this. Also, sorry for blasting your eyes with the map if that was noticeable. Or if that was, an issue. Alright, let's just teleport to 137. Because I have to basically play through the game again since I renamed all the places. But maybe I won't do so much. I'll just make sure that I fixed the bugs that I wanted to fix. But okay, now it's a little bit more lively with like 5 people. And look at that. Oh, you can't even see. Yeah, okay. The camera is pissing me off. I really need to figure out a way of like getting the camera to frame things properly. Oh wait. Okay. Now we're here. There we go. So now I should have the map. God fucking damn it. So it's in reset game, set game. So that resets state. Why then is this not being hit? Okay, let's just... Okay, stop the game. I'm just gonna be hit like 4 times in a row. So we do ready and load sync. And, okay, I think I don't need to do it like 3 times in a row. Actually, let's maybe do it like here. Oh wait, no, I don't think I need to, whatever. I'll do it here. Okay, so at init, it does it. Then, when it loads the game, it should do it again. Yep. And then it should... that should be it. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then... How do I test? Let's do this again. So I guess, what do I have to do? I mean, because if push comes to shove, I'll just have to, like, manually generate that dictionary every time. I should have a way of automatically beating this game. Well, I guess I probably do. And I guess I could just no-clip whenever it's inconvenient for me. Okay, now I really want to see... I want to make absolutely certain that I have no stamina. Oh god, hang on. Let's just cheese it. Okay, so now I should not have stamina. I should not have stamina boosters. So let's save as no boosters. And let's actually look at this. App data. Godot. If you can't hear from my frantic typing, I mistyped app data. Okay, now let's do this. And then I can do no boosters, so let's look for boosters. Okay, so there's 0 boosters. Is it done yet? Is this thing... Okay, this thing is... Okay, let's try again. Oh yeah, wasn't there a thing where Lily wasn't here? Or like, she was still down here, but for some reason she was, Wow, it just ate my input. Okay. Where'd she go? Is she here? Oh, there she is. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Then we have this. What was I doing? Right, and all of this was basically so I have a bunch of stuff in my journal and my map, which I guess I kind of don't now. But okay, let's save. And then let's start a new game. And then yes, that is being called. And then if we go past it, journal by tag, it has nothing in it. And so do we have any, like, is there a different variable that I'm reading from when it causes an issue? Because that's 0. That has nothing in it. I've reset the game. Because what happened last time was, I thought... Let's do 137, no clip. Let's resume. Okay, so if we do blah blah blah, just exploring. Okay, so that still works. I don't understand it. I don't understand why that sometimes happens and sometimes doesn't, but that's a bug that seems to be pretty serious, because that's like dictionaries not being correct. So let's just, as a stopgap, journal by tag. Oh, game state.journal.size. And let's call it this. Actually, let's do... There we go. So that way, it should be pretty clear when this bug happens. And let's actually even print the stack. So it'll not only save it, it'll record the actual journal by tag value when this happened. And it will save an older version of the... or it'll save that as a unique version of the game. Okay. That seems good enough. Alright, what am I actually looking for, though? After talking with Tyrus, the map is marked, but the village isn't in the journal. Oh my fucking god. What? Okay, so now hopefully that should work. So it's marked on the map. Let's see, places. Why is it not marked on the fucking map? Okay, I just need to do the auto marking thing that I was gonna do. So let's go to the map. So let's do like on ready. for m in scrollable map.get children. Remember m dot name places. So now I just know all the places. And that should hopefully not affect my actual ability to, well, that should hopefully not fiddle with actually having notes of things, but now... Yeah, so now nothing changed here, but... Oh, Okay, so now we need the empty subjects, which I thought I did. I swear I did that. So populate list, category places, s IDs equals s. Oh, wait. Do I need to duplicate this? I don't think I do. I think I do, actually. Okay, so let's do if global.get notes by tag tag.empty IDs.erase tag. That should work. So let's IDs. Because I don't know why this wouldn't work. Hideaway, Mountain Valley, blah 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 blah. Well, but they're not, but they're empty. All right, fine. Let's do this. Okay, so IDs equals an array of size 19 with a bunch of stuff in it. So let's do this then. So that looks fine. Oh wait, no. Hideaway doesn't exist anymore. That's Vishar. One place where I missed that. So almost every single one of these is empty. But is this actually getting smaller? I guess it is. So why is it not... small enough. Because if we go to IDs, I guess, yeah, I guess it's 12 items now. What? Where am I? What? Huh? Hang on. How did I get here? Let's do... Hang on. Hang on. Okay. So for key in IDs, what do we actually do to get the notes that is different than what we do? So we do global.getNotes.task type equals completed tasks. On subject focused, get notes by tag. And if it's empty, so when we get it, it should be returning this empty. All right, let's do this again. From the top. Mountain Valley. Let's skip this for now. So we're in people, and now we're in places. So now if we go back to here and do this again. Okay, so what is in journal by tag? We only have one, two. We have two places. We have two places in here. Okay, so this one we have it. This one, we don't have it. So we erase it. Oh wait, I just realized. I think I actually can't erase things while I'm working in... Okay, that makes sense. I'm just gonna do .duplicate again. Okay, I think it's because emptying the list was screwing it up. So let's skip through all this stuff. There we go. Okay, so now I don't need to actually mark the map ever, because the map is already marked if you have your, oh, there we go. So yeah, now the map is always marked if you have the thing, unless, oh, it's because it's called Hideaway, because I started, okay, let's start a new game then. to make sure that that node also properly shows up. Interesting that there's a black outline on that little sign. Okay. What are the other things I need to test? After talking with Tyrus, the map is marked, but the village isn't in the journal. That is fixed. Fix the low-res chunks visible on the map. Let's just do that, because that's pretty easy, hopefully. At least I sure hope they are. Also, let's no-clip and see where that is. So let's see if I can even see it from here. Because I should be able to. I can. Sort of. It's weird that they're visible with everything else. Also, the sound... Hang on. Let's pause. There we go. Now it's, like, quiet. Okay. So I need 3D... blah, blah. Where is my... Let's get our low res here. So these low reses also don't need collision. I don't know why they have collision. Do all of these have collision? Oh no. They don't need that. Okay, well, I'll just add the terrain material. And then hide them. So let's go back to Blender now. Well, let's just make that here. Let's just do Blender, remove dash collision on to low res terrain. Tag on low res terrain. And that'll be for another day. Apply filter. So that is that. Okay. That's all good. That's fine. In fact, I'll just say this is sort of like a future scenario. Okay, so let's say get status more work. Oh wait, wrong place. Okay, that's all good. That looks pretty good. Okay. I don't know why I did that, but... Okay, make sure discussed and completed work with coat. Do I care that much? Make sure all branches of quests work. I think they do. I'll say they basically do. Let's see, do I even have a character that I do this with? So where is one? Maybe Somo I do it with? Traded coats otherwise discussed. Okay. Because it should work. No, I guess it won't. Because a coat is not a subtopic. Well, I guess it could be. So let's go to the dialog viewer, I guess. Trade coats mentioned coat. Get next. Find item. Push stack. I guess that is correct. Yeah, that's probably fine. Okay, let's teleport to 125 again. Huh? What is that? Huh? I found out where the specters are coming from. Where's that? Oh. Arena completed. When did we go to arena completed? Oh, no. This isn't correct. Not stat arena 137 escape. Not global task is complete. Unwanted visitors. What does this mean? Are you here to see the arena? Go to arena. And then when we go to arena, it didn't take us to the arena. Why did it take us here? What? Hang on. So now go to is broken. So let's do that then. So we are going to arena. Uh-oh. I see. Yep, I made it myself. So I need to actually not have this begins with. I need to have a type. So that'll be like var label. Do like var l type equals l dot split. False 0. And if not, or if L type is not equal to type, continue. Because that was because I was going to arena, but I had a node called arena completed, and I was only checking if it began with the same type. So yeah, now it should work. And let's go back up there. So teleport 25, new clip. Okay, so now hopefully it should properly register. Let's trade codes. And let's say, let's just do 10. Okay. So now it works properly. So now we should have tasks. And yeah. Hang on. It didn't have me sign the waiver. Why is this the case now? Let's do Leah. So that should be here. NPCs somewhere. I was on it. Side content, arena, Leah. Okay, so waiver for some reason we did not get the go-to for waivers. But why didn't we? What I should do, actually, is just make it so that it explicitly gets a list of types that can have special things, because there's only 2. So let's do that. Let's do find item. Wait, no. This is... Let's go to dialog viewer, go to find item. So this is the label that we want to find. So if items equals null. this. I guess let's do like, let's do a regex for matching. So it'll be like var r label type. So this will be, I guess, like A through Z underscore plus up to like B. So any sort of border. Or I guess, honestly, I guess it'll be just like this. So yeah, just anything with any of these identifiers. And I guess maybe I can do like 0 through 9 as well. Because I don't mind labels in there. And then L type. Equals R label type dot match dot search L dot get string. Okay. So let's do if L type not equal to type continue. Okay. So now it should hopefully just match any strings without doing something weird with them. Let's teleport back to there. Let's do... Oh, wait, no. I have to do this one. Wait, what? I didn't do it, though. Hang on. I don't have the waiver. Go to waiver. Leave waiver, sign the waiver to get access. So that is when that is done. But I didn't do it. Hang on. Stats. Alright, let's just start a new game. So this all works. And we'll go to Leah, I guess. Why is this here twice? Everything is in the journal twice. And it's not even because of that. Okay. Journal by tag That's not correct. If t in journal by tag. Let's do when am I adding them? And I don't need to worry about that. Reset. So I think it's because we do reset state multiple times. No, but that shouldn't do any of that. Add tagged entries. Am I doing it twice? Let's just ignore that for now. So let's use a note. And it'll be this one. And then if we go to the journal, actually, let's see how this works. I'm going crazy. Oh my fucking god. That one only shows up once. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. That's epic. Wait, hang on. I have an idea. Global.journal by tags. Journal by tag. Ah, okay. It's because I did the exact same sequence of events, and even though I explicitly reset game as this function, which calls this, which deletes it, which deletes everything, it clears it. It is cleared. It is cleared right here. So if I do this, it calls it. And then this is this. And then if we assign it, it is this. It's not empty. It's not empty. Why is it not empty? What am I doing? All right, let's do like var d equals this, and then we're gonna do like d, and then this is gonna have a dictionary at the end. Okay, let's see if that works. So now it should create a new journal. So let's see what this looks like so far. So if we do global.journal by tag. Okay, we got those. That's good. Okay, so now we got all those. So let's save this. Let's save it here. That is not correct. That is not correct. What am I doing wrong? Reset game. It calls this. Do I have to do it here, maybe? Maybe I do it here? No, but then... But it shouldn't matter. Because if I call reset state here... Oh, god fucking damn it. No, it does matter. I have to call reset state after I call this. Okay. I hate my life. Actually, in fact, I need to call it after this. I need to call it here, I think. Maybe. Okay, so now global.journal by tag. Okay, that looks good. And then I do new game. And then we do... And this should be... Okay. And we should have those 4. Because those are the journal notes that we already have. Those are good. And that... I didn't even test the thing that I was meaning to test. So I'm going to say... Let's do... it at dot... that... Well, I'm glad this is gone, at least. So now I can actually teleport to 125. No clip. Alright, I have to do trait codes. Okay, so now this is working. Oh wait, I want to do the code stuff again. Alright. That all is looking great. Beautiful, perfect. The flickering is a grave insult. But that's okay, because I'll test that all tomorrow. Oh, wait, use an item. Arena access. Huh? Wait. This isn't... Ah. Okay, cool. Oh, wait, no. It's because this isn't reevaluated until I do this. Yeah, okay. That's fine-ish. That... Let's do, like... janky stuff when using items and stuff with the indicators while in a block for items and notes. Okay, let's save here. Actually, let's go to 125, since I knew that... I know there was one little to-do thing that I wanted to do here, which was to grab this, move it here. And then let's do that. So that was that in could ship? Move the fountain, yeah. That's... Add some gardens and other decorations. Yeah, I guess that's there. So I think that works. I'll just say that that works. Let's say, I guess could ship is the rest of that. Post-quest dialogue, what happens if the player talks to Jericho without the arena, about the arena without a waiver? Oh yeah, that's actually a really good point. Because I don't have anything for that. And it's also sort of confusing as to why you have to talk to a separate person about it anyway. Like, what it... Like, I still don't... Like, because Jericho, you could just talk to him about the arena and have him give you a waiver. I'll figure that out tomorrow. Don't let the player get stuck in the spawn area. I think I fixed that one. Oh wait, no. That's the... Okay. That's that. Okay, I'm gonna do that one. Because that one's already done. Talking with someone can start Byro's quest. Make sure to join them properly. I think I've done that now. Sort of. I forget what's at the top of this thing. Okay, I forgot that there was a hover scooter there, so there's actually 2 spots, so I won't make that other one more obvious. Yeah, let's get out of here. I got what I wanted. Okay, should I do other things? Because I'm sort of now mentally fried. Ah, well. I should see if there's an NPC over here, I think. Right, one of these little hermits. Oh wait, he even has Anglisari. That's like ancient language. That's this hermit. Wait, and let's get this guy here. So this should just be an exit, I think. Okay. now I'm just kind of not even really... This isn't terribly interesting work now. I'm just kind of just roaming around because I think I'm about done for the day. Alright, I'll just say that's good for today. So we need lots more... So I think it's going to be... Tomorrow is going to be more dialogue. And because basically, if we go back to my little graph, let's bring that back out. Is this... There it goes. So we need basically all of these branches to be written and tested. Good enough. Okay. So yeah, tomorrow I'll do this stuff for this quest. Basically, more variations of this quest's pathing. And then I'll do more stuff, more lower priority stuff, because I got plenty of work that I can do. Oh, I got so much work I can do. Too much work. Yeah, that's... I don't care. There's plenty of shortcuts now. Oh, God. And this isn't even all the stuff. I have even more stuff that I can do. And most of these, a lot of these actually have sub-items. Is the camera rework something that I'm going to be doing this time? Probably not. Well, I could. At least there's not too much left for this part. Alright. I'm going to say that's good. That's going to be my progress for today. I'll be back tomorrow for another full day stream, and that'll be exciting. See you then.